Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a messy chignon type hairstyle. So you're going to want to start out by curling the hair. You can use anything for this, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just using the GHD tong and then applying some Kenra texture spray. Just spray it all over the hair, running your fingers through, and this will create tons of texture and also a bit of grip for the pins. Next we're going to section out the front of the hair, so just take the end of your comb and run it from the top of the head down to just behind the ears. Clip these out of the way on both sides. Next we're going to take a section from ear to ear and clip this out of the way until later. Next, pop the remaining hair into a ponytail at the nape of the neck. On the last twist of the elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through, just pull it part of the way through so you're creating a little loop, and then depending on the length of the hair you should have some tail ends left over. Now we're going to grab some bobby pins and just fan out that little loop and secure it to the head. Smooth out those tail ends and just give them a little twist and pop them to the right hand side of the head and secure with some bobby pins. So drop that top section down. I've decided to tease the roots just to give it a little bit of volume. This step is completely optional though, so you don't have to do this. Smooth the top section of the hair so you can't see any back combing. Gather it all together, give it a little twist and just secure it above that chignon with a couple of bobby pins. To make the top of the hair look a bit more textured, just pinch and pull small sections. Split the hair that's hanging down in half, give it a little twist and just bobby pin it in place to the right hand side. On the other half you can do exactly the same, but we're going to pin it over to the left hand side this time. If the hair's long enough and you've got some remaining hair left over, just give these sections a little twist and pin them just underneath what we've already done. To create more texture, just spray on some hairspray and pull at random sections of the hair. Drop down the side section, split in two and create a loose twist. Once you've done this, pin it to the opposite side of the chignon. Pinch and pull little sections of the twist just to create a bit more volume and texture. Repeat the same twist on the other side. I left some small sections of hair out at the hairline. I'm just going to curl these using my GHD straighteners. I think this just gives it a little bit more of a softer look. So here's the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.